In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stamp in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know how to mark your PDFs with clear visual labels like draft or approved, add timestamp notes with your system details, and guide signers to the right spots, all using Acrobat's built-in stamp tools. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. Give it a moment to load so the full interface is ready. If you keep Acrobat updated, you'll see the latest All Tools area across the top, which makes finding features quick. Now open the PDF you want to work with in Acrobat Pro. You can use File, then Open, or simply drag and drop your file into the window. Once your document is visible, you're ready to access the stamping tools. Look to the global bar and click All Tools. In the list, choose Add a Stamp. If you don't spot it right away, use the search field and type Stamp to jump directly to the feature. When the stamp tool is active, a stamp button appears in the secondary toolbar. Click that to reveal the stamp categories you can browse. You'll see three main groups. Standard Business contains static labels like Draft, Approved, Final, or Confidential. These are great for clearly communicating a document's status without changing the file's content. Dynamic includes stamps that automatically pull your computer's current date, time, and system username. Use these when you want a tracked marker that shows exactly who placed it and when. It's especially handy for reviews, handoffs, or audit-friendly workflows. Sign Here focuses on visual indicators for signatures and initials. These don't capture an actual signature. They simply point someone to where a physical signature or initials are required. They're useful for preparing documents before sending them out. Click the specific stamp you want. Your cursor turns into a live preview of that stamp, helping you line things up before you place it. Move to the area where the label should appear and click once to place the stamp on the page. If it lands a little off, don't worry, you can adjust it right away. To refine the placement, click and drag from the center of the stamp to reposition it. To change its size, drag the corner handles outward or inward. Zooming in can help with precise alignment, and you can always undo a placement if needed. That's it. You've added a clear professional stamp to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro, with options for static labels, dynamic timestamps, and signature prompts.